For today's tutorial I'm gonna teach ya how to do 3D phone tutorial. Want this? Alright, let's start. First go to groups and select your clip, and make sure your clip is a mirror selfie. Then duplicate your clip. After that go toe mask and mask the hand and the phone, just like this. Now add your second clip. Now go to effects and search phone. You can pick anything you want. Now go to transform and adjust so it will fit phone. Now go back to your scanned clip and adjust the rotation Y to 182. Now go to transform and follow what I did. It's hard to explain. Now go to the phone effect and add keyframe at the start and middle or anywhere you want. At the last keyframe put your rotation Y to 350. Now go to color and change it so it will match the color of the phone. After that add graph to rotation Y, position, and scale. For the last part go toe hand and transform. Now add keyframe both start and at the end, position and rotation. Now at the end keyframe ask the position and rotation so it will look like this. Rotation 23 and the position it's your choice, you can always change the rotation. Now add graph to both of them. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe so you don't miss my tutorials.